So hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. And for today's video, tonight, and in this video, tonight I stayed here in Agra, and you will see other video of Taj Mahal and Agra Fort also. And here I stayed at Royal Phoenix Hotel here in Agra. And I just wanted to show you a small room tour of this hotel. And I found this like a clean and hygienic hotel. So I just wanted to give you a small like a room tour. And this is how it looks. You can see there is this TV and this. Goes with this hanger and this bed. It's also like a large and spacious bed, and this like a matter. This linen is also like clean, and you can request like to change and for like cleaning whenever required. And beside there is this fan and there is this AC also, and this this furniture also, and beside you can have this. So this is a room, and there is this beautiful restaurant called Masala Darbar, and I will show you that also. So I hope you like this room tour, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave your comment. So see you in next video, and so thank you. So this is here where we stayed tonight, Royal Phoenix Hotel here in Agra. So this is beautiful restaurant here, and you can see this is the restaurant of this hotel, and it is called Masala Darbar. And so